challenge joton lamso taisa tini tegesa ang notification katal tu phega tini no notification ang TRLM hoite Tripura Rural Livelihood Mission ni hoite pia ango jago nono jeta borok bisi remane abon ang nono sabano tamon kemo aro kema job no tongo vacancy ikoro 1 2 3 4 sa haipon ang nono saglak noro ang link riwan nor naidi ang nono mainly 7 by 8 yobo 7 by 8 no phun no tamon ke nini 5 oro ke nini qualification kisa al kubun alda amum as borok khaije gya ni jar khaijaro nang naina di ang link riwan no job 7 obang sabano block mission coordinator job ni post ni bungke noita post dongo salary ni 26000 nge education qualification na diaro graduation management tona high rural development agriculture horticulture fishery food technology mass communication economics ba social development by anthropology agribusiness psychology science or graduate in any other discipline ginoro experience rizak haibona experience ko ang sanamu sungo kombor nungnai je experience ganang so tawana de experience kari phono rodai no try khane de apply khadi kobon wasta wan su koijana bolle experience ganang tongnai ba robon ta wan su asir next nge 8 job title nge livelihood coordinator obon salary na 25500 education qualification ta abone graduate in marketing management or rural development social work economics technology commerce development ba or graduate in any কোনো courses graduate khaje phone ungu or experience hano hebon experience te ase bokrok taga maidi abo kengma bolno kering nai no pun ready abo nga sungno ungu video noro mainly abon focus khaidi te ko bono hangge kisa nong ning ko nangnai ding ko qualification keri phun mano noro jata jara namo sono rinedi ke kengma tongo no nai de jan tangai koijan bor tongnai jara suitable tongnai na nga asa khayo noro video chaja khana nke video pa sa kang non te koekta main mani sabano instruct unko aboni closing date engka 25/6/2002 o mas ni 25 tariko paine 5:30 ta o closing noro bo bone website thane o XEM hine venture bonoro link rejak tongoi ko bo noro thangi click khai apply khemano age limit 18 to 40 nge aboni method bahai ki document khane test na common aptitude test group discussion personal interview rural assessment test asuno no abon chenta ready kang paper khadi ready tam contact basis kintu abo haipun abo contact basis mo renew umang tongo abo gilam bon abo maman palo khata abo sakri paya so no try khebedi asuno video pagi pa ongo bas kaunte notification phaike ang tu phayano hambai